this is Sunny back with another video, and today we have a product from DesertWest. So you guys can see, so I was looking to buy a wireless charger for my car because I have an older car. I have a 2006 BMW X3 and now I use like a charger with the cable on, but I was looking to buy a mount also because whenever I'm driving my car, because my car doesn't have navigation, I can mount my phone on a mount and same time I can charge it. So I was just looking for like a good mount. So the good the phone mount for the car was around maybe $20 from Amazon, because I was looking to buy like a quality one, maybe 20-30 if you get like a good one. So then I found this DesertWest wireless charger, automatic wireless charger. So basically what this one does, you can just leave your phone on the mount and it will automatically clamp itself. This one is also QI certified, so this wireless charger will work with your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, iPhone XS Max, iPhone 10, and also it will work with like iPhone 8. So basically it will work with any phone that support QI. You will work. It does have fast charging support, and also the price is a bit high, is around like $54, but even though the price is a bit high, you're getting something little premium. You are not only getting a wireless charger, you're getting a mount wireless charger, a fast charger. So that's, I think $54 is not all that bad. Now real quick, let me show you guys what comes in the box. Alright guys, so you guys can see here is everything we had in the box. I didn't want to bore you guys with this unboxing. So first thing, we have a little thank you card from DesertWest, and then we have like the user manual. So if you guys don't know how to configure all this, you can basically read through this user manual and basically set everything else. Today real quick, I'll show you guys how to configure and set up all this. I'll just jump into my car and show you guys. And then here we have a USB cable, and then we have our wireless charger right here, and then we have two mount option. Okay, one for the vent right here. You can basically mount this wireless charger to your car air vent, and then another one we have here. This one basically mount on your car dashboard. Now most likely this mount is not going to work with your dashboard, so you are going to need this mount plate here. This plastic mount plate does come with a 3M tape. And basically you peel this off and mount this part on your car dashboard, and then you can basically mount this arm on your car dashboard. And also you can adjust this mount however you want this arm. So there's two knobs on two sides. You can lock with this bottom one, or you can just extend this arm and you can mount your wireless charger right on the top right here. Most likely I will just go with the smaller one here, so I can basically just mount this to my car air vent, and I can basically unmount whenever I want, so no one steal this wireless charger out of my car, because I do park this car outside. And let me just show you guys how this wireless charger works. So basically you guys can see there is like two arm on two side. So you can open this by clicking these two bottom on sides. You can see both sides there is like bottom. You can just click on that and the arm will open automatically, and then you can just leave your phone there and it will mount itself. Basically it will clamp itself up, and then you can connect this USB to your car cigarette lighter. You do need like a USB adapter, and with that you can power this and charge it. And again, you can just, if you want to take your phone out, you can just press the bottom on the either right side or the left side. You can just tap on the bottom. Okay, it will just open and you can take your phone out. Now if you want to close the arm, you can just tap right on the top and it will just close itself up. Alright guys, so let's not waste any more time and let's just jump into the car. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we are in my car right now, BMW X3, and I have the wireless charger right here. So basically I will mount this wireless charger to my car air vent right here, and I have the air vent mount clip is on right now. I did install it. And also make sure you tie this knob very well, okay, because you don't want this wireless charger to bounce around while you're driving. So basically we'll just mount this to your vent and just pull this to a right and it should lock itself up right here, okay. And we also need to plug our USB cable, okay. You guys can see right here in the bottom we need to plug our USB cable. So let's just plug our USB cable real quick, and now we can just mount our wireless charger to a vent. And also we do need a USB power adapter for our car. The one goes to your like cigarette lighter. So basically you do need at least a 2 amp power adapter, and we can just plug our USB cable to that adapter, okay, and then plug this to our cigarette lighter port. And now we can tap the side bottom and it will open up just like that. And now you can place your phone on the wireless charger. Alright, and you guys can see the phone start charging already, okay. And if you want to take your phone out, basically you can press on the side bottom. There's like 2 bottom on 2 sides. Alright, and then you can just take your phone out. When you're done checking your phone, you can just place it back and it will cap itself up. Alright guys, so overall DesertWest automatic car wireless charger does work flawlessly. Now one thing does concern me because this wireless charger have a motorized arm, and eventually these arms will stop working. So hopefully DesertWest did their research and they did use a good material, good quality parts, so this arm doesn't stop working anytime soon. At least, you know, if I can at least get to use this product for at least 1 or 2 years, I'll be really happy. If you guys do like this product, there will be a link in the video description for you guys, Amazon affiliate link. And if you guys do use my Amazon affiliate link, that will help me a lot. I will get like a small kickback so I can invest the money in the channel and buy more products like DesertWest wireless charger or any PC parts, any Hackintosh parts. Alright guys, that should be it. If you guys have any other question, don't forget to leave in the comment below and stay tuned.